Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all really well. So for today's look, we are going back to my creative side. Forgetting about the beauty today, we're going to be doing a killer clown sort of makeup. But I do want you to please hit me up in the comments and let me know anywhere where I can get multiple day use contact lenses from, because I know for a fact that they will absolutely lift the looks that I do create to like the maximum level, and I really want to get into putting contacts into my work. So if you know any websites or anyone that knows anywhere that will sell really good multiple day use contact lenses, please hit me up in the comments and let me know. And also don't forget, please rate, comment and subscribe to the channel and share around with your friends. So without further ado, let's get to it with this creative makeup. So here it is guys, the final evil killer clown look. I did obviously put the teeth in and show you it with the teeth, but I couldn't speak with the teeth in as I didn't use the adhesive to stick them down, I just plopped them in. But yeah, these are the teeth. I got them from Amazon. Quite hard plastic, but they are really good and they finish off a look, as well as obviously contacts, which I'm looking into getting. But like I said, hit me up in the comments below. But if you do like what you see guys, please rate, comment and subscribe to the channel for more looks to come, more creative looks and more beauty looks. So I love you and leave you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.